Hello student, this is Sheetal teacher here, and in this video we are going to learn about the past perfect tense. In previous video we have learnt about the simple past tense and past continuous tense. So now here we are going to start with the past perfect tense. What is there in this tense we are going to learn through this video. See the example here. The example is when he arrived the train station, the train had left. If you observe this sentence properly, you can say there are two sentences in this sentence, okay, but they form as like one sentence. The first sentence is when he arrived the train station. Okay, this is the first part of the sentence, that he arrived the station, the train station, the railway station. The train had left. This is the second part of the sentence. Okay, if you try to find out the meaning of this sentence, we came to know that he arrived the station, before that the train had left. Means two actions happened in these sentences. The first one is he arrived the station. You can see the timeline there, that he reached the train station, railway station at 9:15 am, but the train had left at 9 am. Okay, so the both action shows us the past tense, but how can we consider the previous action as a past perfect tense? So let's have some another example. The another example is Ram had finished his work before Ravi arrived in office. Again we can say there are two actions in the one sentence, that Ram had finished his works. Another action is Ravi arrived in office. Now if you take the second part of the sentence, that is Ravi arrived in office. So if we have a look on that on this particular sentence, Ravi arrived in office. So you can take the reference of the previous video, and with the help of that video we came to know that arrived is the verb to format, that is past tense format, and because of this arrived we came to know that Ravi arrived in office. This sentence belongs to the simple past tense. Clear? Now in our whole sentence, the one part of the sentence shows us the simple past tense. We know very well what is simple past tense, that the whatever action had been done in the previous second, previous minute, a day before, or a 2 day before, a year before. Okay, the recent last action happened in the past, that we consider for the simple past tense. Okay, so the action recently happened in the past. The first part of the sentence is Ram had finished his work. Ram had finished his work. Now in this sentence we have had finished, means had, which is the helping verb, format of the to be verb, plus verb 3 format. Verb 3 matlab past participle form of the verb, that is verb 3. And because of this had finished, means had plus verb 3 format, we came to know that the first part of the sentence belongs the past perfect tense. Means if you have a look to the overall sentence, that Ram had finished his work before Ravi arrived in office. So if you take the whole sentence as a single sentence, we came to know there are two actions. But the one action has done in the simple past tense and the means in the recent past, and the second action finished before the second past. मीन्स जो एक एक्शन अभी 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 हो चुका है उसके पहले वाला जो एक्शन है उस एक्शन के पहले एक और एक्शन हो चुका है. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर एक्शन शोज अस दैट दिस इज द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Got these things? So the past perfect tense indicates that action was completed, finished at some point in the past before something else happened. Always remember, for past perfect tense कोई भी एक एक्शन पास्ट में ख़त्म हुई है उसके पहले एक और एक्शन जो ख़त्म हो चुका है, फॉर दैट वी कैन कंसिडर एज अ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Again I am repeating, the action was completed at some point in the past before something else happened. Clear? Before something else happened. So we use the past perfect tense for the action that happened before another action in the past, and the another action, मतलब rest part of the sentence, second part of the sentence we can consider, we can describe as a simple past tense. For example, they had eaten too many biscuits by the time dinner was served. Now one part we can say dinner was served, which shows the simple past tense. Okay, this is the recent past action. Before this recent past action, what was the previous past action? They had eaten too many biscuits. मीन्स उन्होंने पहले से ही बहुत सारे बिस्किट्स खा लिए थे, एंड आफ्टर दैट द डिनर वॉज सर्व्ड. राइट? मीन्स वन एक्शन फिनिश्ड, बिफोर दैट वन मोर एक्शन वॉज डन. सो दिस इज द things which we are going to consider under the past perfect tense. Now we are going to see the formation, sentence formation of the past perfect tense. For the basic rule for the past perfect tense is we have to always use the helping verb, that is had. That is had. Has and have we have been used for the present perfect tense. Had we are going to use for the past perfect tense. Had plus past participle form of the verb, that is verb 3 format. Clear? In simple past tense we are using verb 2 format, but for past perfect tense we are going to use verb 3 format, past participle form. Clear students? Don't get confused. In simple present tense we were using the regular verb. For present perfect tense we learned that we use the verb 2 format. For simple past tense we can use verb 2 format, but for past perfect tense we can use verb 3 format. We have to use verb 3 format. Now sentence formation in positive type of sentence. So when your subject is I, he, she, it, you, we, you, they, means with any subject we have to use had plus verb 3 format. Clear? For negative sentence, had not plus verb 3 format, and for questionary sentence we can start the sentence with had. So this is what we are going to form the sentence. The basic thing is we should always remember had plus verb 3 format is used for past perfect tense, and past perfect tense is used to show the action that happened before another action in the past. Clear? So listen the video again and study properly. Write down the important points. Okay students, thank you.